Today, we're exploring how you can become a SuperEx agent and unlock up to 50% commission from futures trading fees and up to 30% from spot trading fees. Let's walk through the application process step by step. Step 1. Log into your SuperEx account and navigate to the Agent section. Here you'll find a Become an Agent option. Click it. Step 2. Fill out the application form with all the necessary details. Be thorough and accurate to increase your chances of approval. Step 3. Submit your application and wait for the review. You'll receive an email notification about your approval status. Step 4. Once approved, you'll gain access to the Agent Commission Management platform. This is where the magic happens. You can manage your referrals, view your earnings, and much more. But wait, there's more. In the Agent Commission Management platform, head to Channel Management. This is where you track commissions and manage your efforts. Simply click Create Channel, name it, describe your promotion method, and hit Save. Next, create your invitation link and code in Promotion Management. Fill in the details, set your channel rebate ratios, and save. Now, you're all set to boost your promotions. That's it. Become a SuperEx agent to start earning in the crypto world. Apply, share your link, and enjoy the rewards. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Happy promoting! See you next time.